taking a video. Hi guys!
What you doing? Are you eating your arm?
Hi Taylor! Hi little Gannon!
Oh, someone got the hiccups too. Oh, you want to touch your cousin's shoulder?
Oh, look at you guys!
You guys just chilling on the blanket together? You love each other? You're cousins.
Hold hands.
You guys are cousins.
Can you hold hands?
Gannon's too busy eating.
Taylor, don't push him. That's not nice. It's your little cousin.
Is that all you guys do? Just lay there?
Are you smiling at Auntie Heather? Little Ganny. Do you love sprinkles? And Mommy didn't get you any sprinkles, huh?
Sorry. Look at her legs.
She's totally looking at you.
What's up?
They're both looking at you.
What's up? Move your hands out of your mouth, Ganny. Tell her what's up. Tell her. You tell her.
Hold hands, that's perfect. Now put your hands together.
Oh, she's trying to hold his hand. Ganny, give her your hand. Bless you. Give her your hand, Gannon. She was reaching for it.
Taylor, your little outfits in your face, huh? Hi, Gannon.
Going to town eating.
Say hi. Hello, guys.
What you doing? What you doing? What are these hands doing in your mouth? Much better. There you go.